Hey guys, it's Ron here, and I got a special request from somebody on Facebook, and they asked me specifically, could I take a low light photo with the Autel Evo and the Phantom 4 Pro? Now, I know that might be a little unorthodox for some because the P4P has a 1-inch sensor with a 20 megapixel camera, and the Evo has a 12 megapixel camera with a 1/2-inch sensor. So let me tell you why this is a good comparison photo. Because if you're in the market for a drone and you're looking to drop $1,000 or more, you want to know what you're getting and what kind of quality you're going to get. So this is a very fair comparison. Now, we all know that the P4P is going to take a better photo in low light because of the 1-inch sensor. So what I did is I took the P4P, turned it on, and I put it in auto. And I seen what the settings were in auto. Then what I did is I turned on the Evo, and I matched the settings the best I could to match the P4P. The reason why I say the best I could is because with the Evo you could not set your aperture, and with the P4P you could set your aperture. I set the settings identical and I took a photo, but then I took an additional photo with the Autel Evo because I put the Autel Evo in auto. So now you're going to get the same exact settings that the P4P is shooting at and the Evo is shooting at. They're going to be the identical settings with the exception of aperture. And then I put the Evo in auto, so now you can match up that same photo, auto versus auto. I'm going to tell you right now, the Evo has a phenomenal camera. I also did a range test, and I posted that video yesterday with the new upcoming Autel Evo, which got over 3.5 miles. I also did a range test, the P4P versus the P4P V2.0. And I did that because it's OcuSync technology versus Lightbridge technology. The P4P, the original, has Lightbridge, and then the new P4P has OcuSync. Guys, check out the videos below. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. Also, if you want to join my group on Facebook, it's called Drones United. The link will be down below. We do have one golden cardinal rule in that group, and that's no drone policing whatsoever. We're all adults. We don't need to tell each other what to do. It's a drama-free group. Also, guys, if you want to go ahead and check out DroneWorks, thank them very much. And guys, the new upcoming Autel Evo will be out June 25th. Get your orders in now. And also available right now is the new P4P V2.0. Check the links below. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of the video. Take it easy. Happy flying.